Hey guys, welcome back to a very, very special video with Carl's Garage. And as you can see on the screen, I have finally done it. I have created this handbook. This handbook has taken me a very long time to complete, but to me, it's a very comprehensive book, all in one place, all the information in one place that you need to help get your engine replaced in your Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis vehicle. So this video is just gonna be very quick. It's more of like a little quick advertisement, but the link will be in the description down below and you can go and download this book. Once you click the link, it will be $9.99. The reason why is because it took me a very long time to create all of the content for this book, all the information, gather it all in one place, and allow you guys to get everything that you need to hand to your Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis dealership so that you can start the process to get your engine replaced. If you are having oil consumption issues, if you are having oil vibration issues, if you have been denied already, I truly believe that this handbook put together by me, myself, will help you get your engine replaced. If you've already been denied, which a lot of people have, and they've been denied for maintenance, this handbook will put you in the right direction so that you can start the process to getting your engine replaced. Again, please, all types of information, documents. You guys seen the video that I put up before with the other documents that you can go and download. Well, now you have more of them all in one place. All of these right here are actually clickable links. I can open this one right here. This right here is the, hold on one second. Let me minimize my screen here for a second, just to kind of show you guys everything that I've been working on. Let's make this a little bit bigger. We have testimonials. If you look up here, here are some testimonials from some people who I've successfully helped get their engines replaced. And like this guy says, I got rid of my Kia, so thank you for making your videos. You are awesome. Exactly. And then let me just show you guys some information right here. So that first link goes here. That first link is going to be Kia and Hyundai non-crash files. There's different letters that you can read, all the news articles pertaining to these issues. I mean, the list just goes on and on of the types of links that I provided in this all-in-one package. Let me show you guys something else right here. I think I have the list. Yes, as you can see on your screen, here's a list. And again, this was made in 2021. I mean, this list, yeah, it was made in 2021 of all the vehicles. So I don't want to show too much of that because I want you guys to actually go and purchase this handbook. Please do. Again, as you see there on the screen, you have access to 3 playlists. Over 100 videos, or right around 100 videos that I've dedicated to Kia engine issues, on top of different types of links and information. All of this information together should definitely put you in the right direction to getting that engine replaced, or at the very least helping somebody get their engine replaced. Maybe you don't have a Kia, maybe you have a cousin or a friend or a daughter or somebody like that who has a Kia, Hyundai, or Genesis, and they're having these issues. Gift them this handbook. Again, it's only $9.99. Click the link in the description, head on over there. Again, when you purchase this, you are helping me continue to get this information out here. I will be creating a Facebook group here soon, and everybody who purchases the book, you will have access to the Facebook group so that we can continue to share this information, because a lot of people have dead cars, or a lot of people don't even know about this issue yet. So let's get the word out there, because like myself, I got rid of my Kia as well. It was just too much of a headache. And now I'm having issues with the insurance companies, and they're making claims on the Kia, and it's all types of stuff. And I don't even have this car anymore. So I don't want you guys to go through the same exact issue. A lot of people, I've helped thousands of people, not even hundreds, thousands of people get their engine replaced with my videos. Now you have it all in one form. You download this PDF. The links in this PDF are clickable. You will also, the file that you're given, you will be given a file, and it'll have other hard documents in there as well that you can copy, press, pass out, give away, read, collect all of this information. Like this gentleman right here said, he brought all of the information to the dealership. So he says, I stated yes and sent them to Hyundai with copy of lawsuit where judge ordered one doesn't need receipts unless extreme maintenance complete. and KSDS updated. I want to personally thank you because of your videos. Help me fight, and my engine it was replaced, running well. I'm lucky to be a maintenance fanatic and retain 10 years of receipts. Also complaining to Hyundai USA on Twitter and Yelp every day. Thank you again. You helped me fight and win. You are the best. This was 13 hours ago. As the time of this reading, this comment, I think is still up there because I didn't delete it, but I did want to make a video about it. That's a real comment from a real person that I've helped, as well as the person underneath them and the person underneath that and all the people on both of my channels, Straight Outta Content and Carl's Garage. So please subscribe to Carl's Garage and Straight Outta Content. And please, again, click the link in the description down below, and it'll take you to purchase this as well as some merchandise that I created as well. Again, you will see it's a Flash Custom Transfers website because that's my main company. That's my main business. So I create merch and everything through that business. But the Carl's Garage section of it is an entirely behind the scenes website, and you guys can go there to purchase your Kia engine handbook. It'll help you. I can't guarantee anything, but it'll definitely help you like it did these other people. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for everything. This has been a very, very, very long journey, but this book right here, this might change the world. Thank you, guys. Be basic. Peace.